I'm preparing to install a new amp and sub in my F150. This is a 2015 model with the aluminum body. And I want to check ground location first. Here behind the rear seat is a factory ground location. So I want to test and see how well of a ground it is. So what I've done, I have a multimeter here, analog, and I have the negative end, or black, connected to speaker wire, and I've got the speaker wire going around. Here we can see that I have disconnected the negative terminal from the battery and wrapped the speaker wire around. And what I understand is if I then test the circuit by placing this here and look at the reading, that should tell me how close to zero resistance or 0 ohms we get. And you can see I have the multimeter set to times 1000 ohms. So I'm looking at this as about 150 or 1.5. And now I have taken the speaker wire off of the battery, and I have one end of it here in my hand. The other end is still connected to the black. Now I'm only checking the resistance in the wire, not including the truck. And what I see here is a figure very close to what we had before, same setting. So what this tells me, if I'm looking at it correctly, is that this location from a factory ground will be a good location to tie into for an amp with a subwoofer power to it. So I'd like to hear from all of you if you think this is indeed a good option or if you have concerns with it.